Assalamu alaikum. So today I will discuss definite integral. Okay, definite integral. Right. So let me start from here. See this. The definite integral. Last lecture I discussed indefinite integral. Okay. So today I will discuss definite integral. So what is definite integral? Let me explain here. See the definition. If a function f is continuous on an interval ab, then function f is integrable on closed interval ab, and the net signed area a between the graph of f and the interval ab is this one, integral a to b fx dx equal to fb minus fa. Okay, this is the net signed area. Let me explain here. Suppose here xy coordinate system, x xy coordinate system. Suppose here मौजूद function f, other function fx. Okay, and this coordinate a, this is interval a, and this is b. Okay, right? This a to b interval here. This is the area, other area. This area between this closed interval a to b and this graph fx, other area. This area is called net signed area. This area, this is called area. This area a equal to, how to write this area a? This area a equal to this takamul from here, x equal to a to x equal to b, a to b. Okay, and this is function fx, fx dx. Okay, this is the area, right? Suppose if the takamul of this function fx, small fx is capital fx, capital fx. Okay, then you write this x equal to a here, a, and x equal to b here. This is the limit from this a to b. And this equal to what? First you put this x is b and fb, and then minus x is a yani fa. This way you will find integral, right? So this is called area. This area, other area between a to b, you will find this way. Now see the questions. See this example. Evaluate the following integral, right? Number A, 0 to 2 dx. Number B, 1 to 2 x dx. And number C, 1 to 9 either x dx. And number D, 4 to 9 x कर दिया either x dx. These are the questions. Okay, so let me explain here. Number A. Number A, find this integral 0 to 2. Okay, here 2 dx. Another question, how to solve this? So look over here how to solve. Kanun here मौजूद. See this. See the solution. Zero to two. Here a equal to zero. See, this a equal to zero and b equal to two. And this function fx is this two dx. How to solve this? Look over here. You will integrate this way. This is rakam hakiki. So rakam hakiki I told you out, and then hada 0 to 2 dx. And you know this. It's here 2. Takamul dx come. Takamul dx yani x. Okay. Takamul dx yani x. And then still hina limit. 0 here and 2 here. You know this I told you here. Takamul, if other takamul dx equal to x. Takamul dx equal to x. Okay. And look here limit मौजूद. Here a and b मौजूद. So hina मापी is c. Here a and b मौजूद. So c मापी is hina. This way x only. Takamul dx equal to x. Now put the limit. Here 2 मौजूद. Then put this limit. First you put this. X हिसाबी 2. This one. Upper limit. Fog limit. X हिसाबी 2 यानी 2 here. And then hada x हिसाबी 0. X हिसाबी 0 यानी 0 here. This equal to come 2 and this 2 minus 0 yani 2. 2 there 2 equal to 4. Okay. So hada area is equal to 4. Is it clear? Takamul 0 to 2 dx. First you find integrate and then put the limit a to b. Okay. Now see question number b here. Question number b. Integral again. Number a look here. This rakam hakiki hina barra. Hada. Okay. And abagi takamul dx. Takamul dx come. Takamul dx yani x. Takamul wahid dx yani x I told you. So hada takamul dx yani x hada. Okay. And hina मौजूद 2 limit. Here 2 and hina मौजूद तहत 0. Here x हिसाबी 0 and here x हिसाबी 2. So awal put this limit 2. Fog. X हिसाबी 2 hada. Kullo x हिसाबी 2. So here x हिसाबी 2. And baden still hina salib. But then this x hisabi this 0. X hisabi 0 here. Right? So this 2 minus 0 yani 2. And hina mojud 2. That 2 equal to 4. It's okay. Now see question number B here. Question number B is here 1 to 2. Find integral 1 to 2. To x dx. How to find this? X dx. Find this one. This you know this here 1. This is 1 here. See hada a here, hada a and hada b. This is lower and this is upper. Hada sagir and hada kabir. This one, right? And hada function. This area, hada area between a to b. Okay, a to b. So this a means x hisabi a, and this b means x hisabi b. Right? This way. This wahid means here limit of x. This means here x hisabi 1 and here x hisabi 2. Don't be confused. This is the meaning. Okay? This equal to what? First you see this hada. Hina mojud x, function x. This function x yani x power wahid. तो तकामुल x पावर वाहिद यानी तकामुल x पावर n, हमारा कम तकामुल x पावर n यानी यू नो दिस तकामुल here x power n dx, हमारा कम x power n plus 1 ala n plus 1 is 1 n plus c. So if here मौजूद limit here limit मौजूद this c माफी जी, हमारा c माफी जी. So this x here n इसावी 1 यानी 1 plus 1 divided by 1 plus 1 and here put this limit x equal to 1 to x equal to 2 this way, right? This equal to what here? X terbiya la itne, and here come x इसावी 1 and here x इसावी 2, and this equal to what? First you put this hada x इसावी 2 kullu x इसावी 2, so here come هنا موجود x इसावी 2 यानी 2 तरबिया ala 2 मौजूद, and بعدين सालिब x इसावी वाहिद हदा x इसावी वाहिद, so x इसावी वाहिद यानी वाहिद तरबिया ala 2. See this. अव्वल put x इसावी 2 फोग x इसावी 2 and بعدين सालिब x इसावी वाहिद, and this equal to what? Here 2 तरबिया यानी 4 ala 2 and minus वाहिद तरबिया यानी वाहिद ala 2. Okay, so this equal to what? How much this? Here 2 and 4 minus 1 यानी 3, 3 by 2 and 3 by 2 यानी 1.5 other area 1.5. Clear? Yes. Now see this number C 1 to 9 jadar x, number C here takamul 1 to 9 jadar x, and this one. How to solve this? First you have to see this here function मौजूद jadar x, okay, jadar x. So takamul jadar x come. How to find takamul jadar x? Jadar x यानी this one here 1 to 9 jadar x यानी x power वाहिद ala itne n dx. So this equal to takamul x power nos यानी x power this 1 by 2 plus 1 hala कानून x power n जायद 1 hala x power n जायद 1 hala n जायद 1 यानी here. Okay, and here you will take x इसावी 1 इसावी 9, right? This is this 1 यानी hada x इसावी 1 and hada x इसावी 9. बादन takamul put here. So takamul here x power 1 by 2 यानी this 1 by 2 plus 1 यानी 3 by 2 hada nos जायद 1, and here come same 3 by 2, and this here x equal to 1 to 9, and this equal to what? This 3 by 2, look, this will be 2 by 3 here, 2 by 3 hada rakam hakiki, you can take bata rakam hakiki no problem, and here मौजूद x power 3 by 2 this one, here x equal to 1 and here x equal to 9. So this equal to what here? 2 by 3, and here first you put this x इसावी तिस्सा यानी hada तिस्सा power तलाता ala इतने, and बादन सालिब x इसावी वाहिद यानी वाहिद power तलाता ala इतने this one. I will put this x इसावी 9 कुल्लो x तब्दील 9 and बादन सालिब कुल्लो एक्स तब्दील वाहिद दिस इक्वल टू 2/3 हज़ा कम किस्सा किस्सा यानी किस्सा यू कैन राइट 3 पावर 2 एंड दर भी ना मौजूद 3/2 माइनस वाहिद पावर 3/2 वाहिद पावर एनी नंबर दैट इज वाहिद you know this equal to here 2/3 and hada come this 2 किस्सा you can write तलाता तरबिया and दर भी ना मौजूद hada तलाता तरबिया दर hada it's 2 cancel तो hada तलाता पावर तलाता कम तलाता पावर तलाता यानी 3 दर 3 27 and minus 1 is equal to what 27 minus 1 यानी 26 2/3 and दर 26 okay and this equal to the 2 the 26 this is 2 12 52/3 this is 52/3 okay this is 52/3 this one this area now okay yes another example here see another example see this example find this takamul here मौजूद 1 2 1 2 2 x तरबिया dx father okay so how to find this तकामुल x तरबिया कम तकामुल x तरबिया यानी x पावर n यसावी 2 here so x power 2 जायद 1 यानी 3 hala 3 hala takamul and then put this limit y here and 2 here right and this equal to what look hada x यसावी 2 I will put hada x यसावी 2 kullo x यसावी 2 so here x means 2 and power 3 and ala मौजूद here 3 and then minus put hada x यसावी 1 यानी 1 power 3 hala 3 this one is equal to come here 2 power 3 यानी 8 ala thalatha and minus 1 power 3 यानी 1 divided by 3 this equal to what here 3 so here 3 and here 8 साली वाहिद come 7 other answer is this right rule is this awal sil takamul hada function takamul hada kam takamul hada x power talata and then put this limit x is 2 here and x is 1 here so awal put this kullo x tabdil 2 and then salib kullo x tabdil wahid this way here it's okay any problem Now see some properties. Suppose here, number one, the common A to A appears same, fxtx. Other 0 all the time. If other A and other A same, okay, A, then this the common 0 always. And look here, number 2, the common A to B fxtx is equal to, if you change here, this B upper limit B seal here and A seal here, fxtx, then what will happen? Here it is minus, other minus. This is A to B, limit A to B. If this change, B seal hina ahead and A seal fork, then this will be changed like that minus fx. This is property. Okay. And number 3, suppose here number 3 is this. Suppose here if you take here मौजूद interval A and here मौजूद interval B and here मौजूद interval, here मौजूद any number C between this A to B, then how to find this integral? Common A to B fxdx equal to, it means here A to the common A to B and here मौजूद आधा C मौजूद between A and B here, then this A to B from A to B here, from A to B here, you can write this way, is equal to, you can write this from here A to, you can write A to this, A to C, you can write A to C fx dx, and then xi from here C to B, you can write from again from C to B fx dx, you can write this way, remember. The common A to B, from A to B, yani from start from here A to B here, you can write other between C is between A to B, so you can write A to C and that C to B, you can write this way. Okay, this is property, just remember this. Now see this example, find this, the common, if here मौजूद, suppose 3 to 3, तलादा to तलाता, if here x तरबिया dx, आधा कम, is equal to 0 ala tool, because here 3 limit and here 3 same, here मौजूद property, here मौजूद आधा मौजूद property, आधा a and आधा a, अब so limit same, and this will be 0 ala tool, right? So here property, see this question here, question number A, here 1, 1 to 1, 1 to 1, x तरबिया dx, this is 0, why 0? Because this is 1 and this is 1 same, so if this same, no need to solve, uktu wala tool hada sifar, you can write this way, okay, right? This example, and after that this example B, example C, Okay. Okay, so today I will stop here, right? Today I will stop here.